Hi, are you here for a Lyft?
Yeah.
Hi, what's your name? What's your name?
Harley.
And where's your destination?
Skyloft.
Are you gonna be a good passenger?
Yes.
Okay, get in.
That was a weird question to ask.
Well, I gotta make sure you're gonna be a good passenger before I let you in.
Have you been having bad ones?
Yes. My last rider literally attacked me, so.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Well, I am the perfect passenger.
What makes you say that?
I feel like I don't cause any trouble. How's your day going?
It's been better, so I put it that way.
Been better? Well, couldn't see how it's so bad.
Speak up, I can barely hear you.
My bad. I mean, you're pretty cute, so can't imagine you're having a terrible day.
Can you please sit back, please, and put your seatbelt on correctly?
Sorry. So...
Anyways, I would really prefer it if we just, like, didn't talk, because I'm not having a great day.
Oh, well, I'm about to meet some friends. Maybe you want to come?
Come and hang out with your friends?
Yeah.
I gotta work. I got money to make. I'm on the clock.
I mean, you can't just hang out for like an hour or two.
What are you guys gonna do?
Just get some drinks.
I can't drink and drive.
Well, how about one drink?
Maybe it's Shirley Temple. Shirley Temple?
So is that a yes? How about I buy the drinks?
You're gonna buy me a drink?
Yeah, you're a really good looking guy. And I don't come across good looking guys that often. Come on, you can't say no.
Are you
to that.
pranking me?
No.
It's
Why
like a
would
hidden camera show. Where are the cameras?
No, you're cute. Come on, I never ask out guys.
Oh yeah? You probably ask out every Uber driver.
No.
Well, how many people are gonna be there? Because I have social anxiety. Three girls?
Fine. 3 girls, but we'll just be talking the entire time.
I mean, are they like...
They're super, super cool. And
Yeah,
as long as I tell them you're with me, it'll be a good time.
Maybe. You'll have to convince me a little. I'm gonna take more convincing than that.
Okay.
I mean, I have money to make. I gotta pay my rent tomorrow. If I hang out with you, then that means I gotta drive like 2 hours extra later.
Okay, what about this? What if I get your drinks and give you $100?
You're gonna pay me to... No, I don't do that. I'm not like a worker like that.
Not like that. My family has money. It's no big deal.
Oh, you're gonna tip me in the app, and then I'm probably never gonna get the tip, huh?
What? No, cash.
You're gonna give me cash?
I will give you cash to go on a date with me.
Oh my... No, that's weird.
What's
I'm sorry.
the worst that can happen?
I don't know. I feel like used.
Used.
Yeah, I can't be bought with cash. Who are you? Who put you up to this?
No one put me up to this. Like I said, you're cute.
Oh my gosh, chill.
Are you dating anyone?
No, but I mean, I'm not really looking, to be honest.
Well,
I've had a lot of bad experiences lately.
I'm not looking for anything serious too. And it's just one drink. If you hate it, then we never talk again.
Well, how late are we gonna be out? Because I have to tell my mom. I have to ask my mom if I can hang out past like 10. Because I was supposed to drive and then get home at 10 to be back with my mom.
You live with your mom?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah.
So, okay.
My mom rocks, okay?
You'll be back by 10.
Some people are like, oh, you live with your mom. I'm like, my mom's freaking sick, bro. Like.
Hey, I believe it.
Yeah.
So, yes. 1 drink, you'll be back by 10.
Oh my.
$100 cash.
I don't drink alcohol.
Shirley Temple.
I'll drink maybe drink a Sprite.
Okay, I'll take it. But you have to at least try to act like you're having a good time. Give me a chance.
Yeah, I will.
So that's a yes? Come on, you're gonna say no to a face like this.
My eyes are on the road. I'm not looking at you.
Well, then maybe you should.
Not a distracted driver. So what?
Yes. I promise you won't regret it.
Why don't you just go on your phone like every other Uber passenger?
Because I don't want to be on my phone. I want to be talking to you right now.
You watch too many rom-coms. Okay, this is not real life.
Life should be a rom-com. Totally believe that. Why not live it like a movie? Why not go on a date?
You are honestly starting to get on my nerves, okay? I honestly don't believe in all that stuff. Tootsie cutesy love. Love is fake. There's no love at first sight. I don't know what you saw in me, but...
Well, why don't you give this a chance, and then maybe I can change your mind. What's so wrong about living life like a movie?
Because movie is not real. They literally pay people to pretend. It's called pretend. It's called fake for a reason. It's like everything you see on the internet these days, YouTube, like, everything you see is fake. It's all fake, 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 fake.
No, that's not true.
Yep.
A lot of movies are based on true events. And this could literally be the most romantic story could unfold right here if you just gave it a chance.
Who are you? You're like different.
Come on. This moment right now could change your life.
You're convincing me.
I am.
All right, we're here.
So, you'll join me?
I'll join you. Okay.
Come on.
All right, let's go. I can't believe I'm doing this.